Let me even refresh. Just to make sure. Your favorite guru.
They was never supposed to get that, no. So embarrassing, I want a little more. Show you spots you never been before.
It's just a regular Friday for us, to be honest. We're taking the Beamer out for a drive. But yeah, we just finished the call this morning. You know, it was a Friday morning. We had the call. Spit some sauce for you fucking guys. And then going from $0 in sales, I ended up making $50K in 2 weeks. Like, it's pretty hard scaling. And I would have done more if I didn't deal with these issues, right? Within the 2 weeks, I still dealt with issues. I don't know, I've learned my lesson. Like, I've got my, I guess, I like to say I got my ego out the way. I did my hard scaling, and now I want to just do it properly. Because the best way I do the whole business procedure is trying to put myself into the customer's position, right? But still, I'm a human being, and you're targeting to a human being, right? So I try to put myself in their position, and when I'm looking at an ad, or put yourself when you buy something, right? There's only one reason you buy something, like one main reason. There could be a little, but it's like I buy something for one reason only. So that the same thing with impulse purchases. They're gonna buy for one reason only, and your job is to just find out what that one reason is. Now, obviously, still trying to get the ads up and running and spending. So they're up and running, they're active, they got approved, but they're not spending. I don't know, it's a bit weird. But while we wait for that, obviously we're enjoying Hawaii and, you know, just enjoying the lifestyle. Like, literally woke up, got some work done, spit some sauce for you guys on a live call, and now we can just get to spend the rest of the day just fucking doing shit, just doing this shit. In December, mid fucking December. Honestly, insane. I have nothing else to say, to be honest. These videos are a bit like, got nothing to say. What sauce can we give for? Nah, but honestly, for real, no jokes aside, there's actually not some secret thing. It's just you guys can see that I've been working in my basement for years, so it's nice to take a trip and to finally reap what we've been sowing for so long. And it could be any one of you, same thing, no difference, just purely just finally hear the car though, hear the car. Sheesh, the gurgles. Mama started my guns. No, right back in. No, are you serious?
Let's just go. Let's just start going.
No, don't. Oh my god. I have no idea. I just keep driving.
This too.
Definitely a bigger climb.
You know the song? When we get to Bali, you need to sign up for a fighting camp.
Yeah. Wait, what the fuck?
It's always better if you come around and move, you know.
It's definitely, personal brands are definitely good. It just depends the route you want to.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone can take it very differently.
It's fake engagement.
I get it. Is that 10%? No, that's less than 10%. Okay, boys, what are we eating? Come on now for the vlog. I see y'all.
We got the steak burger. It's a fucking bussin'.
Oh yeah, we got the what? We got this steak burger. We got the homie with the steak burger. We all got steak burgers. Little kawaii food.
Hey boys, it's let's see, it's currently 5:11. Bro, is it gonna focus? People get into e-com because they think it's quick and fast results. At the end of the day, it's not. Hey Massimo, look who's awake. And they think they're gonna get riches and rich after six months of work or 5 months of work, and they think their whole life is gonna change. And then when it doesn't happen, they get discouraged, or it might happen, but if it doesn't happen, they get discouraged and they quit and all this shit. They're like, oh no, this doesn't work. But as soon as you make it, they want to get right back into it. They try it, and they're like, yo, I want to start this Wi-Fi stuff, this drop shipping business and everything. And yeah, they just, they have this deep regret that they didn't stick through their word while you're getting the results and they're not. Now, Julian, what do you have to say to this? And Massimo, you can join the video.
Look, you know how many fucking stupid texts that I've received from people? Oh, I see you making money. Yeah, I was thinking of starting. It's all bullshit. Okay, understand? You see this right now, and you think that you can achieve the same thing within a week, but you're completely forgetting. That's why Seb records. That's why I record. I'm at like day 300 plus of recording daily of the journey, and I even did e-commerce before that. It's been a long time. Okay, it took a long time, a lot of lonely nights, a lot of fucking hours, doubt, money, and failures to get to this day. So do not, the main point is, do not forget that. Understand that if you like what we're living right now, you want to achieve it, you need to put the sacrifices. You need to understand that there's a long journey. It's not a fucking game, this. It's not some fun thing that you some side project you do with your buddies. Nah. It's business. It's real life. So, get used to it.
Exactly. And also setting time frames and goals, and then putting a date on when you achieve a certain goal, right? Like what I found out myself is when you try to force yourself to hit that 10K profit month, that 20K profit month, that 30K, that $1 million in your first year, you put, I'm gonna get it at this date, sometimes, it might happen for you guys, but I found for myself, you're not gonna hit that goal if you put a timeline on it. But you will hit it if you just simply put in the work, and you want this goal, but you put in the work, and then eventually it will come, maybe sooner than you even thought, and it's just putting in the work every single day until you finally see something that happens, but not expecting any results or expecting a date. And as soon as you stop putting a time frame on it, I feel like that's when you actually will start seeing results, and seeing it a lot quicker than you would actually think. I'll see you boys on the other side.
Join me at the fucking top. We're gonna change up the slogan a bit. Join me at the fucking top.